really fun video and it's related to science. So today I'm making a DIY lungs model and it's super fun and super cool and super easy to make. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. But wait, stop your tracks. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel RocketZoid and like and share my channel to all your family and loved ones and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I put all these awesome videos onto my channel. Let's get started. So YouTube, what we have in front of us is what we need for this spectacular experiment. So what we need is a piece of a cutout of a mineral bottle. I cut it out of a mineral bottle and this is what I got. And then the lid. The lid, I pierced a hole through it with like a metal stick, which I warmed up, and then I stuck it through like what I did in my stethoscope video. And if you haven't seen that video yet, click here and you can watch it, but don't go now because we've got a spectacular experiment to do with. So yeah, that's what we did. And some tape, sellotape, 3 balloons, any color you wish. I took red and green. I don't know if it's turquoise or what. Please tell me in the comments below. I'm not good in colors. 2 straws. You may need 3 if your straws don't have this stretching facility. So you may need 3. If so, scissors and glue gun. If your child is quite small, and then don't give it to them. Don't give it to them. It's it really hurts me if it goes into your fingers or hands, and it really hurts. It's happened to me, and it's the worst pain you could ever experience. So don't, because it's hot glue. You can't even imagine. So that's what we need. Let's get started. So friends, what we need to do first is get one straw, stretch it out, and then, like in our stethoscope video, we fold it like this, and then to the opposite side to the same length, and then we cut it out, and here's the moment of joy. Woohoo! That's what we need. Exact same identical size on both sides. That's what we need. Next, same in the stethoscope video, we're gonna make a hole, but the thing with this hole is that I'm not gonna cut it through in half. I'm going to cut the top bit, but not the bottom bit, and I'm going to show you now, like shown in this video, in the stethoscope. What we're going to do is we're going to go here, slight, very little hole. That's it. Yep, that's all we need. That's all we need. That's all we need. So this is basically what we need. And if you can see the hole, camera, can you see it? That's what we need. If it's too big, you can't do anything about it. If it's small, you can always make it bigger. That's what we need. And then, what we need to do, to put it through this hole in our bottle that we had made, correct length. And then we're going to cut a piece out. We don't need all of the straw because it's too big. So yeah, we're just going to... So now we're going to cut it. So this is all we need. If it's too big, we can always cut it down, but you can't do anything. Again, like I said, it's too big, you can't do anything about it. So this is what we need. This is the length that we need. And then we're gonna take it out. And now, like I said, we're making the trachea. So we're gonna put it here. And then here comes the job of our glue gun. So I bet it's warmed up now. Yep, it's warmed up. And this is how we're connecting it. A bit more glue. I'm trying to connect it to, trying to put glue over all of the sides of the straw, so it doesn't go anywhere. Because we had some problems before when I was making the stethoscope, but then it just stood up. So yeah, it's gone. Let it dry, and then we're gonna go on. So it actually has dried, and I'm pretty sure that it's quite firm. But just to be on the safe side, and so no air escapes, we're gonna put some tape around it. So if I just take it around, and then I'll just take this. What I'm meant to do, we need to put it around. Over this stick. Yeah, this is what we need. I might need just that little bit more. Thank you. My brother just helped me. This is what we need taped up. So now we're going to cut the balloons as lungs. We've got one for the diaphragm. We've got the one for the lungs. Cut two. Cutting two at once. That's what we need. We need it right here. Now we've got our thing here. And now my brother's going to do one and I'm going to do one. And we'll put one through the straws. That's what we need. And then our tape comes in. The use of our tape is needed now. Put it here. So the width of my balloon is a bit wide. So we're just gonna wrap it around like the entrance of the air. Wrap it around, and then get some tape. You don't need that part. So, here. This is what you need. To be taped up. So one balloon's done. Now my brother is going to do the other. Just do that. It was a bit. Now let's do that. And that's also working. This is what we needed. So now we're going to take the lungs and the trachea into the rib cage. So now I'm going to put it here and fold it up so it fits in. And then we just put it through. That's what we need. So this is what we need. Yeah, that's about it. That's what we need. That's the correct thing. So now what we are going to do is, I forgot. Just a minute. Just a minute. So I just cut it because I thought it was a bit I thought it was a bit too big for the trachea. So I did it like this, and now wait for it to dry. Yep, it has dried for us. We're gonna cut the balloon now for the diaphragm. Let's stretch it up. Thank you. This is what we need. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the balloon over the bottom of the our rib cage, and then stick it with tape. So what we have done here is our DIY lungs model, and this is what I wanted it to turn up like. So yeah, it's really cool and I really like it. So I'm going to explain it to you now. This is our trachea, this is our lungs, this is our diaphragm, and this is our ribcage. The bottom is meant to be the ribcage. So now let's see if it works, because it's not worth the hard work if it doesn't work. So, this is how it was now. Woohoo! It works! This is what happens to you every day when you breathe in and out. Why don't you just do it now? Inhale and exhale, like me. So when I do this, my lungs are now puffed up with air. And now I just release some carbon dioxide. So this is this is a really cool science experiment for you all. It's really simple, and yeah. And one thing that I forgot to mention, our trick actually worked out. When we cut a bit more like rings from a bottle and stuck it into this one, it actually worked. So try this out if you occurred with the same problem that I had about if your bottle was too thin. It actually works. It's super cool. Breathe in and out. Inhale, exhale. So I'm just gonna do it like in the video, like with the model. So breathe in, breathe out. So friends, if you liked my DIY lungs model thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and like I said before in the start of the video, click that bell icon so you get all the videos that I upload and you get notified. See you in the next video. Cheerio!
Bye.
This makes for a good drum. Actually, it's a good drum.